Hi, I'm Paul from Paul Michaels Cheshire salon, and I've just bought myself a Dyson dryer. £274, is that correct? £274. I've had £100 dryers for many years, but I thought, as working for 48 years in the trade, I am now going to treat myself. I ordered it yesterday afternoon about 2 o'clock, and it was here today at 2 o'clock. I cannot believe how quick it came. So here we go, here's the test, here's the proof. There we are, very nice box, very pleased with this. I never get presents, so I buy myself a present. Well packaged here in this lovely crisp box. A client of mine brought her dryer in for me to try, and I used it and I was very impressed. So I thought, this is it, this is my sign. There we are, there it is. As I say, I spend about £100 on dryers anyway, so I thought, it's about time. Oh, I have a diffuser. I think this is a filter, a spare filter that you put on and clean, and 2 different nozzles. And I'll have to find out what this is. Oh, this will be a mat that you put it on so to not damage your top. So here we go, let's get it together and let's try it out. Okay, so I've got everything out here in my little salon. I presume this is a spare filter, which you just take off like this and clean it. This has a special brush, which I'm very impressed with. Just do that, clean your filter, no messing about with your brushes, your comb, just do that easily. No toothbrushes. We have a diffuser, which just goes like that, magnetic. Love it. Look at that, watch again. Oh my God, it's so easy, but it's quite tough to get off. Very tough to get off. The mat, the rubber mat to protect your tops, sideboards, or your salon tops. And again, watch this now, watch that. Oh, I love it, hey? The sound of that, beautiful. Stays on. Small nozzle, thin nozzle, narrow nozzle, and now we've got a thick nozzle. Brilliant. Also, I love this lead, it's got a rubber texture, so it's not going to tangle like all our cheap plastic rubber. This is rubber, so it's definitely easier, it won't tangle. Extra long, this is the difference between the professional dryer and the just everyday residential dryers, okay? So, excellent valve. We're going to see now how it works, okay? I'm just going to turn it on like this. It's got different things, different settings, and I think you can tell how wonderful it is. It's quite blowy here, Captain. I feel them in the Arctic here against the wind, but it really is good. So look how good that is. Got a cold shot there. You see the red lights coming off, cold shot, and you've got 3 speeds. Back on full speed, and 3 heats. 3 heats, or... My first impression, I'm very impressed. Very sexy little equipment. It's been good for me in the salon. Very impressed so far. Thank you, Dyson.